It must be.
Oh my god, there's another page. We're on section 3, moderate.
I have 23 pages to look through. Every time you tell me.
Keonia.
Huh?
Okay. I was trying to get their name right.
Keonia. Okay.
I was saying Siona, and it's Keon, as in... Or no, it's Keo... Wait. Keonia.
Keonia.
I said the wrong again.
Yes, you did.
Alright.
Okay.
So this is, so this one's called A Hidden Message.
Oh no.
Back to 5 minutes, 3 modules, 3 strikes. Sorry for getting your name wrong.
It's gonna be really hard.
Information can be obscured in ways that are time-consuming to decode. In the world of bomb defusing, that's a bad thing.
I would imagine.
Yeah.
I guess. Okay.
Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Alright, cool. I am ready to...
Okay.
Ah! Did I
What?
scare you?
I hate you.
Whoa, where am I? Okay, let's start. What the heck is this? It's like measurements and shit. It says... It's like a blinking yellow light. You know what, let's just do the wires first. Let's just do the wires first.
Let's just do the wires.
Okay, 4 wires, 3 black wires, 1 blue wire.
There's 1 blue wire.
Morse code. There's 1
There's
blue
one
wire.
blue wire. Cut the first wire.
Alright, done. Let's do the word thing. The word is you.
Okay. You? The word you?
The word you as in Y-O-U.
Middle right.
Middle right is the word middle.
Blank.
No.
Ready.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Click it.
Got it.
What do you got?
The word is... No.
No. Bottom right, what do you see?
It says right.
Yes.
Yes.
Click it. What do you see?
There. As in over there. The lights went out!
Bottom right?
The bottom right says you.
Sure.
Yes.
Click it.
It's so hard to see anything! Oh, the lights went back on. Oh god. Okay, so now there's like a new thing. It's blinking. It's measurements. It's, it says 3.505 MHz. And
Okay.
there's a button that says TX.
Is the word shell? Or what's the word?
It says TX. There's no word.
Interpret the signal
My thing is blinking!
from the flashing light using the Morse code chart to spell one of the words in the table.
There's no more...
What?
What the heck?
The signal will loop with the long gap repetitions. Oh.
Shut up.
You have to use Morse code.
How the hell do I do Morse code?
There is a long gap, and then you gotta tell me if it's a short or a long light, okay? After the long gap.
Light. After the long gap?
There's a long gap between the lights that'll indicate when the word repeats. And then you gotta tell me if it's a short blink or a long blink, and then I have to decode it.
There's a long blink. It's kind of a long blink.
No, when there's a long gap.
Yeah, there's a long gap, and then it was like a medium blink.
You gotta be faster than that, and you gotta tell me as it
Blink.
happens.
What? No!
It's Morse code.
Blink! It's blink! It's blink! It's like a medium.
Okay,
Blink.
after the long gap, you know what you're gonna do? You're
What?
gonna say short, short, long, or long, whatever. Okay? You just say it as it happens.
Long, kinda. Long. 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 I sound like an idiot! Long. It's a long one. It's always been a long one. Just assume that's a long one, David!
You're so bad at this!
What do I do? There's measurements!
Don't worry about the measurements, just worry about the light.
There's a long gap, it's a long blink!
After the long gap, show.
What do I do? Don't laugh! What do
After the long gap, just calmly tell me every time it blinks, whether it's a long blink or a short blink, and
After
just
the
say the
blink
words
or
long
after the-
and okay?
Okay, it's short, long, short, long, long, short, long. No, it's a long one. It's a long one. Blank, long, short.
Okay, this isn't helping.
Short. What do I do? What do I do? It's a TX. What do I do? 45 seconds. It's a long and it's a short. It's a short. It's a short.
Oh my god, I don't understand.
Short.
I don't know
short,
what you're telling me, Andy.
Long. Short. Long. That's a long. It wasn't a short. What do I do in 30 seconds? Tell me what
It's
to
Morse
do.
code! I don't know Morse code!
I don't speak Morse. You can't even speak Morse code unless you go beep. What is it? It's a, okay, gap, short, long, short. What do I do? David, I'm clicking.
I don't know. I'm
guessing.
okay. Just you gotta change the frequency, man.
What do you mean?
You just gotta change the frequency. Oh, this is not pleasant.
I never want to
Did you
do that
explode?
ever again.
You exploded, huh?
Do you? Yeah, I did. I was just guessing, and apparently I can change the measurement on the thing.
That's what you're supposed to do.
What does TX mean?
I don't. It doesn't matter. The TX button is the least important part. That just means I know what it is, and I'm gonna press this button now. That was terrible. And you need to be a little more calm, or else I can't decode Morse code.
Morse code. It's not a calming subject.
It's not a calming subject. Do you want to try again?
I do want to try again.
Alright. Let's try again.
Megahertz.
Yes, that is what MHz is.
I didn't know that, David.
Okay.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
What's megahertz?
It's a frequency.
I don't know frequencies, David.
Yeah, it's not important. It's not important at all.
David,
What's up?
that was hard. TX means transmit.
Yep.
Is that a what is that?
It also doesn't matter.
Okay.
All you need to know how to do is to tell me when it's a short blink or a long blink.
I was telling you short, long. That was a short.
Yeah, you gotta be a little more calm than that. And if there's a long gap, then you gotta tell me. And if there's a very long gap, then you're done. A long gap is a letter.
What?
Okay. Every time there's a long gap in the lights, that's telling me that there's a new letter. Okay?
We're seriously translating Morse code?
Yes, we're seriously translating Morse code.
This is hell.